You want a different one?
That was too fast.
It's too fast.
Yeah, run.
This is one on each. Ready? Run through the middle. There's no water. Woo! Ready? Run through the middle.
Whoa, Mommy's got Mommy.
Mommy got wet.
We got Mommy.
Oh, this one!
Yeah, that's better for little tots.
Oh my God, no, it's probably showing.
I was just going to say, I'm filming this. Yeah, I will stop filming now. Do whatever you have to do, but I'll black bar it out. Woo! You got wet. Go get wet again. Now, see, I could do this in my yard. I need to get one for my yard.
We could share this one.
No, I know. I might as well just...
All right, let's try a new one. Do you want me to try a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that one's
Whoa.
Oh, that one's going to get Mommy.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that was nice.
Ah! That is a shell. Here we go.
Yay!
Wow!